Hello, this is Dimitri with exclusive Paintless Dent Repair. What you're looking at is a heavy impact on a GMC truck fender. As you can see, the body line is collapsed and there is a massive pressure ridge holding it in place. Most shops would call for a replacement of the fender, but today we're going to save this panel and the factory finish using Paintless Dent Repair out. Stay tuned. As you can see from the progress, I'm slowly reshaping the fender back to its original shape. In this case, every push needs to be calculated to avoid overstretching the metal or damaging the paint. Honestly, repairing this kind of dent requires a deep knowledge of the art of paintless dent repair and years of experience. The end result. The original factory paint is preserved, the body line is restored, and there is no need for body filler or a trip to the body shop. This is the power of professional paintless dent repair. If you have any questions or need a free estimate, you can send me pictures and I'll be happy to reply as soon as I can. You can also visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.